Hello, student. I am Sayung Shastri and I want to give you some tips for NDA. As you know, all that the last date for NDA form, online form is 19 January. So, you all guys, please uh, fill up your form and submit your form before 19. And what the major mistakes done by the NDA candidate in written, I want to tell you, and how will you prepare for NDA written exam. First of all, give proper preparation for 3 months for your written exam, for math, for English, and in GS portion, physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, and current affair. So give proper preparation. What the common mistake uh, made by the candidate is in previous exams that they give maximum attention to the math paper. Yes, math paper practice is required, but there is a the math paper is of 300 marks, and second paper of GS and English is all about 600 marks. So if you gonna cross your merit list, so you have to give more attention to the GS paper. In math, you are just required to clear the math paper with the minimum requirement, and you, for merit purpose, you should give more stress on the GS paper. As you know, in math there is the questions of time consuming, and you have 120 questions and 300 marks. Only 2.5 marks for the one question. But in GS portion, there is 150 questions and 600 marks. Means one for one question, for one right answer, you will get 4 marks. So there is a requirement of to give more correct answer in the GS paper, so that you will get 4 marks for one correct answer. So, and in math paper, you please uh, make a target to attempt only 80 questions, 80 easy questions of math you are required to attempt. And if you done 60 correct questions out of 80, so you will find you will lose 7 extra correct answers because of minus marking, and you will be marked for 53 marks, and you will get, according to the 2.5 uh, mark for one question, you will get 130. 130 is very sufficient in math paper. And you, if you get 300 out of 600, if you get 300 in GS paper, you will get total 430 marks. So that are sufficient to clear the not only written merit, but also if you get selected in SSB interview, you will clear the final merit also. So guys, my advice is to give more attention on the GS and English portion, because if you give more attention on English paper, so you, out of 50 of the English questions, you can give correct answer of minimum 40. You can give correct 40 questions out of 50 in English portion. And physics portion, you can correct answers, you can give correct answer in physics portions, chemistry, biology. History is a vast syllabus, but you go for geography. current affair. Very easy to get good marks in these portions. So give attention on this portion because there are the GS paper is of 600. Give a simple practice of math and maximum practice of GS paper to clear the, or do not attempt doubtful questions. Please attempt only correct questions. So you will not get minus marking and you will clear the exam. Thank you. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you and Jai Hind.